Hello student, how are you? Good morning to everyone. I hope you will be good at home. Class ninth, chapter 4, subject math. Name of the chapter is linear equations in two variables. Okay student, so question is like this. Draw the graph of the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay student, so I have already taught the rules or steps how we have to draw the graph of the linear equations in two variables. Here are two variables student, x and y. So first of all, can you say what is the first rule or first step? So first of all, first step is express y in terms of x. Okay. So first of all, we have to solve in the equation. So this is the first rule. Okay. Uh, we can write minus 3y is equal to 12 minus 2x. So here is plus sign. Here it will be becomes minus. So 12 minus 2x. Okay. Now, so how we have to remove the minus sign? So multiply both side by minus. So here minus into minus plus. Here is plus, so it becomes minus. Here minus into minus plus. So in this way we have to remove the minus sign by multiplying both side by minus. Okay. Now y is equal to 2x minus 12 is equal to upon 3. Okay student, once again I am repeat, y is equal to 2x minus 12 upon 3. So this is the equations. Okay, y in terms of x. So the y is equal to x. Now we have to find the values of x and y. If x equal to 0, then y equal to. So if we put the value of x equal to 0 here, so after simplify, here minus 12 is coming, 12 upon 3 is equal to 4, means minus 4. Okay, similarly if we have to put the value x is equal to 3, okay, then y equal to, here in the main equation, this is the main equation, 3 is the in the place of x. So 2 3 are 6, minus 12 as it is upon 3. So 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6. Okay, this minus steps is more than this one. That's why sign should be minus. After simplify, 3 2 is 6. So minus 2 is the answer. Okay. So if x equal to 6, okay student, then y equal to, put the value of x in the x here. So here is 6 in the main equation. So 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 means 0 upon 3. Okay. And 0 divided by any number is 0. Now, so this is the value. Now at least 3 value I told you in the second rule. So here 1 value, 2 value and 3 value in this way. So you can take more also, but at least 3 value or 2 value must be take. Now point number 3, we have to prepare the table values of x and y. So this is the table student. I already taught you and explained in the earlier session. Okay, so this is the table. We have to write x and y. So what is the value of x here? So here we have to put 0, and after finding the minus 4, here minus 4. Similarly, second value 3. So in the place of here 3, and here minus 2 after simplify minus 2. And third value is 6. So here 6, and after simplify 0. So in this way we have to prepare a table. After making a table, we have to got a ordered pair. So plot the ordered pair 0 minus 4. So 0 or minus 4 in the bracket. Second 3 and minus 2. Here is 3 and here is minus 2. And then here 6 and 0. Okay. So because 3 values we have to get from the table, and we have to plot on the graph. After plotting the graph, we have to join them, and after joining we get a straight line. Now let's see graph. Okay. So on the graph, how we will be draw with the help of here graph. Okay. So now student, this is the Cartesian plane. Okay. This is the x dash and y dash. Two axes are perpendicular to each other. Is it clear? So I got the ordered pair. Okay student. So put the ordered pair. First ordered pair is 0 and minus 4. So 0 and minus 4 means abscissa. Okay student, so abscissa will be 0, and here is minus 4. So first point is coming here 0 and minus 4. So we have to minus 4 is the ordinate. Now second is 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 means 3 the abscissa and 2 is the ordinate. So This is the second point. Okay, now in this way we can now point like this. And if you want, you can write here 0 minus 4. Okay, here you can write 0 minus 4, and here you can write 3, and like this minus 2, and last third value is 6 and 0. 6 and 0 means 6 is the abscissa and 0 is the ordinate. So on the x-axis here 6 and 0. So this is 6 and 0. Now after plotting the points, we have to join them with the help of a scale. I am doing here with the help of pen, but you will be use pencil. Okay student. Now after putting like this, we have to get a here straight line. So 3 or 2 is here, 3 and 2, because not this point, this one, this is the main point. So because 3 is here and now minus 2, and after you joining this one, we get a straight line. So now you can say sketch also, and we can sketching also, and this is the straight line we are getting. With the help of scale we can join. Now after joining, we get this is straight line. Okay, and this straight line is called the graph. Okay student, so I hope you have to understood my lecture, and I will give homework later. You will be do on the basis of this one. So if you want, you can write the equation, main equation, what is the equation, or you can show here by the equation also. So what is the equation? Otherwise this is the, or you can point A, B and C also. Okay student, so thanks.
करो